The girl who painted the wind. Children flying kites, wind sweeping across fields. A village lies in the valley, simple and quiet. In a small village where the wind sang through the trees, lived a quiet girl named Layla. While others played and worked, Layla carried a brush wherever she went, but her brush was special. Layla sits on a hill, dipping her brush into the air. As she paints, colors swirl and float like glowing ribbons. With every stroke, she painted the wind itself, and the wind carried her colors far, far away. Children play ball, but Layla sits apart, painting invisible swirls that only she can see. Child 1, mocking, "Look, Layla is painting nothing again." Child 2, laughing, "What kind of game is that?" Layla lowers her brush, hurt but quiet. She walks home. The villagers didn't understand her gift. To them, her brush was just wood and bristles. But to Layla, it was magic. Inside her tiny room, papers scattered with drawings. She sighs and whispers to herself, "Layla, softly, maybe one day they'll see what I see." Next morning, Layla climbs a hill, raises her brush, and paints arcs in the air. This time, faint glowing colors swirl into the sky. The wind picks them up and spreads them across the village. Golden streaks over rooftops, blue sparkles through trees. Villager 1, looking up, "What's that? The sky is glowing." Villager 2, "Is it magic or a dream?" Child, "It's beautiful." The children chase the colors as the wind carries them through fields. For the first time, people smile and laugh together. And so, with her brush and the breath of the wind, Layla painted joy into her village. Some villagers frown. The stern mayor watches the colors drift. Mayor, disapproving, "This is nonsense." Children distracted. Farmers leaving fields to chase colors? "We need discipline, not daydreams." He orders villagers to ignore the silly magic. Layla overhears and clutches her brush sadly. Layla, to herself, "I only wanted to make them happy." But not everyone values beauty. Some hearts are too heavy for colors. The wind carries Layla's paintings to faraway villages. Strangers wake to glowing skies. Farmers find colors dancing through their fields. Children laugh as colors swirl around them. What Layla didn't know was that her gift was not bound to one place. The wind carried her joy across hills and rivers, touching lives she had never seen. Cut to another village. Elders smile, children clap. They ask, "Where did this magic come from?" One evening, an old traveler visits Layla's village. He follows the glowing colors back to her. "Traveler, you must be the girl who paints the wind." Layla, shy, "You can see it." Traveler, smiling, "Of course, your gift is rare. Do not hide it. The world needs colors more than it needs rules." He tells her stories of places he's seen, cities full of gray, people who've forgotten to dream. He encourages her to paint boldly. The old man's words filled her heart with courage. Dark clouds gather. A great storm strikes the village. Lightning, heavy rain, people running for shelter. Crops are damaged, houses leak. Mayor, angrily, "Where is your magic now, girl? Can colors stop the storm?" Layla runs into the rain, clutching her brush. She dips it into the air, painting swirling shields of light. The wind catches her strokes and spreads them like glowing walls, calming the storm little by little. Children cheer as colors brighten the sky, the storm fading into rainbow patterns. In that moment, even the doubters saw her gift for what it truly was. After the storm, villagers gather around Layla. Villager 1, humbled. We doubted you, but you saved us. Villager 2, your colors gave us hope. Children shouting, paint more, Lila. Paint more. She smiles, and this time she paints openly. Ribbons of light twirl around the village, carrying laughter and joy. The mayor, ashamed, finally bows his head. Mayor softly, perhaps even leaders need to learn from dreamers. Layla stands on the hill, smiling at her brush, wind in her hair. And so the girl who once painted alone discovered her gift was not just hers. It belonged to the world. With every stroke, she showed that beauty and imagination are not luxuries, but necessities. Moral: creativity can change the world.